What's going on, guys? I'm on vacation right now, so you get to see a nice little video instead of stream. We're going to try some Japan crate here with my son, who's out of frame, but it's okay. It's his first time being on camera, I guess. Not really. But,
I
you want to say
recorded
hi?
a lot, so
You've recorded a lot?
yeah.
Yeah? Where's your videos? Do you have a
On my
YouTube channel,
tablet.
too?
No.
And you will probably also hear my daughter in the background as well as my wife too.
Yeah, and her's gonna be screaming a lot,
So it came with some soup, and we're going to try the soup first because it's been sitting here for the last probably hour that I've been trying to get this camera and video set up and ready. But it's probably cold now, so we're going to try the soup real quick.
it's starting to get orange.
It's already orange. Let's see if you guys can. You want to see the soup?
Yeah.
Show the what? Where's the can at? Oh,
Oh,
I'm not going to dig through that to find the can right now.
that smells like
We'll show the can later on.
cookies.
And there you see my daughter's hand getting
Smell
it.
it.
So we're going to try this, and as I
Oh.
splat it on the table. Oh, know what I mean. You want to try it first?
No.
You want me to try it first? Okay, I'm going to try it first. It smells like pumpkin. Lily, you can try it after we're done, okay? That's weird. That's it's like chicken noodle soup meets a cookie. That's weird. He clearly did not like it. You need to scoot over a little, dude. You are not in the frame. All right, here you go, sis. You got it? Why don't you hand it over to mom? You don't need one of those spoons.
Yeah.
Here, we're
That
gonna-
is disgusting.
So
at that.
let's see here. We got a little pamphlet here. We all know from watching stream. I don't know how to read, so let's not get into that.
Yeah. How
Actually,
about
I'm
we
kidding,
just
we'll read it.
no?
Yeah, we're gonna start off with what do you want to grab something out of here?
Yeah.
So we'll let him pick first. What do you got here?
We saw that before.
Smitcheroo corn stick. Shimichu. You know, I really should have just had my wife read it off, but she chose to stay out of the camera and let us have the box first. Now she's not going to say anything.
Shimaroozis.
Okay. She can't pronounce them either.
It's Shimaroozis.
It's Shimarushis?
Yeah.
Listen. Hold on a second. Okay. I think it's back. I don't know. That's the pause button. I don't know if it worked. We'll figure it out later when I watch it back. It's chocolate. It's a chocolate corn stick, essentially. You want to see the chocolate corn stick? I'm saying corn, not the other word that most of you guys that watch stream are probably saying right now.
Me and Dad are going first. Oh.
Here. Oh,
Oh, that is crunchy.
hold on.
Oh, that is
Here,
definitely
give that to you and mom, okay? It's kind of like a really big piece of cereal.
Yeah.
Like Cocoa Puffs.
Yeah.
That wasn't too bad.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Shim Shim Chiroo. Corn stick. I'll try this next. What's this?
You get to choose now, and I'll choose next.
I don't even see this on. Oh, there it is. Petite chocolate cookies. That's what these are. Petite chocolate cookies. Quit focusing on face. So they're just little chocolate. Oh, look at that. See that little picture there? Here. It's focusing on your face. They're little cookies with chocolate in them, I think.
Oh, I think so too.
I could read the description, but that would be helpful. Not helpful.
No, I'm gonna give that chocolate one
What are you gonna give it?
a 5.
A 5? 5 out of 10? Or 5 out of 5?
A 5 out of 5.
5 out of 5? All right. Here, you can have those. Those. And I'll take 2.
Oh no. So they're pretty much just.
They're just little soft cookies with chocolate on the inside. Now that you guys can really see it because it's focusing on his face. Yeah. Well, not too bad.
Look, Mom.
Here, you want to put those over there? That way Lily can mow down on those. What do you do? We got more things to snack on. So what do you give that? You want to score that one too?
I'll give it a 5 or a 4.
A 5 or a 4? Sounds good, dude. You want to pick something next? There's one thing and it looks like something I don't think I'm going to enjoy in there.
I'm not doing that.
Oh, it's super sour, it looks like. Where's that? Here it is. Sour plum bar of gum. It's gum. So Lily will not have this. It's sour gum.
I'm nervous.
And we're going to have to spit the gum out so we can try the other things. But, oh, look at that. The little, like, just little gum sticks here. Because it's going to focus on his face. Here. Here, Lily, you give this to Mom. Give that to Mom. No, just give the whole thing to Mom. And we'll try this. Want to do it at the same time?
Oh!
That's just powder, so it doesn't stick to the package.
I'm just kidding.
You got hair on your bud.
No, that's sour.
It's
Oh,
a
I
little
swallowed
sour.
it. I swallowed it.
And it's okay. Well,
Yeah, you don't want to eat it all. Just take little bites.
okay. Kind of built.
No, not for me.
Does it get sour?
Ah, it hurts my ear.
Yeah. All right.
Okay.
Don't look at my chewed gum. I see you looking at the chewed gum. I see you there, Jay. Looking at the chewed gum. That's gross. Calling out the viewers while they're... I'm not even live.
So now you choose.
Let's try to get all these gums out of the way, because there's another gum. Cola flavored gum.
Ooh, I love cola.
He does love the cola flavored things. Oh, here, is this the can for the soup? Yeah. Here's the can for the soup. I gotta cover your face because it's gonna focus on face. He's shoving his face into my hand. Oh, dude, why did you lick it? You weirdo. Alright, yeah, I want to find these gums because I want to get...
It's under here.
I didn't see it under there.
Where are they?
Sit back, dude. I think that's gum too, isn't this? Alright, we'll do this one then.
Yeah.
Back up a little, dude. Oh, here it is. Ramoon Cola gum? Oh, this is a cola also.
Oh.
I don't know. It's pretty interesting, cool looking package. I gotta cover up his face because it's gonna focus on his face every time. Focus! I think it's focused. Either way, you guys get the point. Yes, you're going to try it, my little one. She's very persistent on trying everything. Clearly. Oh, these are gums? These look like pellets.
Yeah.
Alright. I'm going to give you one.
Are they squishy? No.
No, it's just cola candy. It's not gum. That's candy. I read it wrong. Just little pellets.
Ew.
Cola.
Oh, that's sour. Super sour. Look.
Oh, it foams in your mouth.
Yeah.
It fizzes. That's kind of cool. It's almost like a...
One of those things where you put it in the pop and it blows up.
Yeah, kind of like that. I was thinking more of it's trying to mimic like a pop, like the carbonation of a
Tastes
pop.
like gummy pop gummies.
Or a soda for some of you out there.
Yeah, and I love soda. I haven't tried it, so.
Alright, you want to pick another one, bud?
Yeah. So I'm trying to find that.
You want to find that. That's probably this. No, that's not this. You gotta find the specific one, don't you? Is this it? No. This is that. It's gum, so you want to do this?
Yeah.
Alright. This is Zonba chewing gum. Let me reach for the camera. Cover your face. Hurry. Hurry, cover your face. Zomba chewing gum. Oh, it's the same on the other side. Why are you licking my hand? That's weird.
I didn't lick it. It was just my lip.
Oh, okay.
Oh, we can get that Pikachu.
I don't know. Did we get a Pikachu thing in this one? No? Alright.
This is going to be sour. Look, it doesn't even show that.
Yeah, it does.
No, look.
Show what?
It's blue tongue, but look, it only shows
Look at this side, dude.
Wait, what?
Here. So this is supposed to turn your tongue blue. That'll be interesting to see. Here, you give these to Mom, okay?
Just tastes like, oh. M&M's.
Yeah, a little bit.
And they're chewy.
I like how our grading scale had stopped completely. We stopped grading things. We did like 2, and that was it. And my tongue blue?
Yep.
A little bit, yeah. Yours is more blue. Yeah, yours is blue too. That's kind of meh. It didn't last very long. I'm just going to swallow that one. I kind of want to save this big bag for last.
Mommy,
What is this? This is going to be a craft thing. So we're not going to do this one.
Yeah.
We're going to save this one for later, some other time.
I see something you should choose.
But for anybody else that wants to see it, it is a do-it-yourself colorful gummy experiment. That's what it looks like. No, look at my face. There we go. We got it. There you guys go. We're not going to do that one just because that's going to be very time-consuming, and this video is probably already going to be longer than I anticipated.
So I see something I might want to choose.
What do you want to choose?
We saw this and they pretty much
Oh yeah, the
cookies.
Yeah, I can't remember that name of that YouTube channel right now that we watch usually.
Yeah.
These are Koala March. Koala's March. They're just little cookies. Cover his face up. Hide from the world. So they're just cookies with cream in them. I believe this might be buttery cream. The ones that we usually see are like chocolate ones and stuff.
Yeah, and there's chocolate cookies right there. And I see more gum.
Hold on. Put it down.
It was that.
Alright, we'll get to that next, dude. Yes, you will try it. She acts like I'm not going to give her any.
Bro. It's bigger than the picture.
Here, we'll take a couple. Alright, there you go, sis. Give it to Mom.
It's chocolate cream.
Is it chocolate cream?
And coconut.
I don't think it's
I don't
coconut.
want that.
You don't want no one? I'll
It's
eat it.
spicy. Can I have water?
Huh. It's okay. It's caramel. I think. I could read this and figure it out. Buttery and sugary white chocolate combination in a bite size.
And now we have some more gum.
So let's just try this cola gum. Cola gum.
It's gonna be big, okay?
Yes.
I'm gonna take a big bite.
Oh wow, that's interesting looking. Hold on.
Wait.
We didn't show off the koala bears. What's this little thing? It's like a little fortune. I don't know what it's going to tell you. Look at this though. Look. It's like a little biscuit thing. Cover our faces.
Yes.
What do you get? Oh. Here. Give that to Mom. That one's for Mom. Here you go. There's a piece for you. Piece for me. Cola chewing gum.
Oh.
It's okay. It tastes like cola.
When you keep chewing it and it takes a long time, it pretty much gets old.
Okay.
Oh.
Hope you guys enjoy that. I'm just going to swallow it because I'm a rebel.
I see something I want to do.
What do you want to do next?
Or you can do it. So, you do it.
Let's try these chocolate cookies.
Yeah, that's what I was
That's what he was going to go for. These are not on the list, are they?
Yeah, they're right there.
Oh, yeah. Gatoua chocolate. I don't know. It's fancy chocolate. Look at it. It just looks fancy. Cover up his face. Cover my face. There it is. Fancy chocolates.
Oh, why is it focusing on you?
It focuses on both of us. Okay. Oh, you're looking at the little square? Yeah, the little square is just there. Here, you and I are going to share one, or we'll give the other one to Mom and Sis. No, I have the one for us. Here, Lily.
They look not that hard.
Yeah, here it just looks like it looks like a chocolate cookie.
And they're not even hard.
Yeah, it looks like a soft chocolate cookie. That's pretty soft. Oh, it's got chocolate on the inside. Look at that. You can't see. Can you see? Look at the chocolate on the inside. Look at my fingers too. I'll give you the bigger piece. Okay. Well, that's pretty solid. What do you think, sis? Did you like it? Yeah.
I see something. It's right there.
You want to try the Kit Kats?
Right here.
I don't think you're going to like these.
Why?
These are Japanese mint flavored mini Kit Kats.
I don't like mint stuff, so you can just try them.
You're going to try one. I don't like mint chocolate either, but I'm going to try one.
I tried a mint cookie.
I know. This is a little package, just a little.
Wait, are they actually thinking it?
Here, give this to Mom, okay?
Wait, are they gonna actually pick that?
What?
About the candy. It doesn't actually have.
You need to get over here though. You're not in the camera. You are slowly getting off the camera. Yes, like that. I mean, everybody kind of knows what a Kit Kat looks like. Oh, this is kind of melty. Hold on, calm yourself, dude. I mean, anybody that doesn't know. 10-minute Girl Scout cookies. So that means I'm probably really not gonna like it. All right, let's try it. Ready? Nope.
No, it's
whole thing.
It's just mint.
It's not. It's chocolate mint.
Try it.
Oh.
Yeah. He's dramatic. It does. It tastes like a Thin Mint Girl Scout cookie. Oh! That was a belly flash. Alright. Let's move on to this. This, I think, is like a fruit roll-up. Yeah, grape roll candy. Grape roll candy. Don't, dude. I'm trying to get this in the frame. Ow, that hurts my wrist. So yeah, this is, it's pretty much a fruit roll-up.
Oh yeah, I had these before.
Oh, he's had these before.
No, I had them, but they're really long. So you probably don't want to eat it all.
Oh, no, we're not going to eat it all.
At kindergarten,
This is super sticky, though.
At kindergarten, we had to get one of those, and we had to shove it all in our mouth.
Really?
Yeah.
Here.
You gotta finish it before you leave.
Oh, this is super sticky, dude. So, like, put the whole thing in your mouth.
Ah, so. Oh, that's gonna stick.
Mom has it.
Oh, I don't like that. It tastes like. Know what it tastes like?
It tastes like grape bubblegum.
It tastes like.
Yeah.
It tastes like a new hotel and you smell it.
It tastes like a new hotel and you smell it. You heard it first, guys. No, just drink your thing. Alright, these aren't anything. These are just tattoos. I don't believe there's anything in here. Oh no, there's a piece of gum in here. So I'm not going to open it. I mean, it's mostly just tattoos in this package. I can feel it, and there's a small piece of gum right here. Literally that big.
Why?
It's not. But I'll show you guys the package because the packaging is really cool, and it's spoopy season anyways. So.
Okay, my turn to pee.
All right, what do you want, bud?
We're doing this for last.
We're doing that for last? Okay.
Where's that?
This is right here. No, those are the pocky sticks. I don't see it on there. Is there stuff on the backside? No. There's like 4 in here. I don't see it. I saw it earlier.
Where is it? Here, come on.
Rainbow fruit monsters? Oh yeah, that's what it is. It's just the picture looks different on there. Rainbow fruit monsters. Cover up his face. Cover my face. Lily, hey, can you stop, please?
I see some chips already.
Rainbow fruit monsters.
No. Hey!
It's stuck. Oh. I threw it. Here, Lily, you take that and you go to Mom with that, okay?
I think you're just supposed to.
Yeah, you're supposed to peel them individually, but we're just going to go full force. You shoved the whole thing in his mouth. They taste like, don't we have these here? Yeah, they're called rainbow strips, I'm pretty sure, or something like that.
No, those are different. They're just watermelon
Oh.
flavor. And they're red.
That's a lot of chew.
Oh.
Yeah, we did. Okay. Alright, we need to hurry along here.
I need to spit.
Why? Just take a drink. Just swallow it.
I can't.
Why can't you? Go. He clearly put too much in his mouth. You good? All right, we got a King Forgotten thing. King for some. I don't know. You know what? It's a thing. We're just going to try it now. There's sticky stuff on here.
Yeah, it's the.
Here, this has got sticky stuff on it, so I'm getting rid of it. The rest of the stuff is mystery. It's a mystery. We've given up 3/4 of the way into this video.
People gave it to their cats.
My finger's sticky now too. Alright, I'm gonna take a bite. You take a bite, and then give the rest to Mom and Lily. Oh, it's got chocolate on the inside.
There's only one?
You guys can't see because he didn't cover up his face. Let Mom try some. Oh, okay.
Oh, that's chocolate sour cake.
It's just like chocolate. It's a chocolate cookie. Now we got these things, the Pocky sticks.
Yeah, we are.
I'm pretty sure it's I don't know what it is.
Hello.
But it's Pocky sticks. I want to try them.
Oh.
It's just a stick.
Wow. Why are they so rude? Oh, my gosh.
I'm trying to think what that tastes like. Here, Lily. That was aggressive. Lily, give them to Mom. No more, Jackson. You can have one, but you were supposed to give them to Mom first. I don't want it. Thank you. If you're still watching right now, I appreciate you watching. Thanks for stopping by, checking out the channel, checking out the video. We're not done yet. I just wanted to give a thanks. If you're enjoying what you're liking, if you're enjoying what you're liking, if you're enjoying what you're watching, go ahead and hit that like button for me. It helps me out. Helps the algorithm out. Dude, it's empty.
Hey. Why are you putting stuff in there? We just have 2 more things.
We do have 2 more things.
I said we're doing that last.
He wants to do that last. I'm pretty sure it's coffee flavored. But... So we got some chips.
All of us are gonna have 1 chip, and we're gonna.
That's what they look like.
And I'm gonna count to 3, and we're all gonna eat it.
They kind of look like Lay's. It's what is it? Lay's is
look on the back.
Layers.
And I'll show you what it is.
Literally, Lay's Layers, I think is what they're called. Pretty sure they're onion flavored. Yeah. Cover your face up, dude. That's what they look like. Here you go, bud. I'm pretty sure it's onion. Oh. That's like a Funyun.
Hey!
I'm going to. Give me a minute. I'm about to lose my mind. Yeah, that's like a Funyun.
I don't want any more.
Give them to Mom. Because she's being impatient.
And the last thing, everyone.
I ate
watching this.
1. And you were like, get me!
Get me! Get me, baby! How long was this?
Yeah. Here's the last thing that we have. I'm pretty sure they're coffee cookies.
I love coffee.
Coffee flavored cookies. He does like coffee.
I thought they was a type of taco.
A
It looked
type of taco?
Yeah, on the picture it looked like.
You thought that was a taco?
Yeah, they're just cookies, but they're.
Alright, give these to Mom. Here you go. I'm gonna show. This is what they look like. Can you cover your face, bud? That's what they look like. Each have a little symbol on.
They're
Are they?
chocolate. Yeah. They lied. It's not coffee.
No, I didn't lie. I just saw a coffee cup on it, so I thought it was coffee because I don't have the paper anymore.
Can I try one?
So yeah, they're just coffee.
Everybody, we're done with the
It was
video.
coffee. He's done. I'm not done yet.
Well, I'm not done either.
So yeah, that was the Trick or Treat Japan crate. Thought this was a neat little video that we could do. Hope you guys enjoyed. You wanna?
Bye. Bye. And
Oh,
keep
yeah.
watching our videos.
I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed. And if you did enjoy, make sure you check out the rest of the videos on the channel. Go ahead and hit the like button. There's a sub button if you haven't subbed already. And all in all, hope you have a fantastic rest of your day.